In this video, I will tell you what a mission statement is, why you need a mission statement for your business, and how to write a mission statement for your business.
By the way, remember to hit that subscribe button.
A mission statement basically describes what your business hopes to achieve or why your business exists, and also what sets your business apart, what makes your business different from other businesses that are selling the same product. Your mission statement is your why for your business. Why does your business exist? Why are you selling that particular product or that particular service? Why did you start that business, right? That your mission statement sets you apart from other businesses who are selling the same thing that you are selling, right? What is so different about your business? So your mission statement basically gives a brief description of that. It gives the person reading it, whether it's yourself, your employees, or your customers, it gives them an understanding of why your business exists and what sets your business apart from your competitors. Having a mission statement is having a why for your business. It gives your business a higher reason of existence than just making money, than just making a profit, right? When you do go out and hire people, it helps you attract people, like-minded people, people who believe what you believe, people who are able to get on board your why, people who are able to relate to the reason behind why you do what you do. So when writing your mission statement, it needs to tell people why your business exists. So for instance, for the startup space, we exist so that we can provide new entrepreneurs with resources that show them how to start an online business. The second thing to consider when writing a mission statement is basically what makes your business different. So that is another thing, another element of your mission statement. It needs to explain or define what makes your business different. What is it about your business? What value do you provide in your business that is different or that separates you, sets you apart from other people doing what you are doing, right? So for the startup space, our resources are simple and easy to follow by new entrepreneurs, right? So because we aim to provide resources for new entrepreneurs that are easy to follow, that are easy, we make videos that are easy to follow, easy to understand. When we make a guide, it needs to be easy to understand. If we sell any digital product, it will have to be easy to understand, easy to follow, easy for the new entrepreneur to use to start their own business. As an example, the mission statement for the startup space is: the startup space aims to provide new entrepreneurs with simple, easy to follow tools and resources to help them start online businesses. So your mission statement needs to, number one, communicate why you exist and the value that you're providing, and it needs to explain, or rather define, what sets you apart, right? So it shouldn't be in bullet form, it shouldn't be in a long thing, right? You want to make it a short sentence or two that literally is basically a short summary that tells people why your business exists, what value you provide, what sets you apart. That is what your mission statement needs to be. 3 things to remember with your mission statement, or when writing your mission statement: keep it short. Summarize it into a sentence. Communicate the value that you provide in your mission statement. It needs to be genuine, right? The value or the why that you say is the reason for your business, is the reason for the existence of your business, that needs to be real. It shouldn't just be something you make up. It needs to be genuine, because if it's not genuine, then it will show in the things you provide. It will show in the way you do your business, in the way you treat your customers. It will just show. Okay, customers know when you're not being real. Customers know when your audience will know when you are not being genuine. So you need to make sure that your mission, your reason, your why is genuine. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video and you like the content that you see on our page and you want to see more content like this, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss another video. Like this video so that YouTube will know to show it to more people. If you have any questions about writing your mission statement, then make sure you can leave them in the comments and I will respond to you. You can also speak to me on Instagram, or you can DM me through the Startup Space Instagram. I am always happy to answer your questions and to help where I can. So yeah, thank you guys for watching.